What I hadn't realised before I'd put it on the bench and started to try and start it up was that the load needle was set all wrong and it was screwed out quite a long way. Also, this engine had hardly any compression whatsoever, so it wasn't looking good at all. So after pulling some fuel through, I thought I'd give it a go and see if I get any response, which of course I didn't by just trying to flick the engine over. Well, it was at this point I thought I'd get the electric starter out and see if I could get any joy with that. Well, after a couple of attempts with the electric starter, she actually started to lock up on me, so things were starting to look up. So after about another 5 minutes of messing around with the high and low needles, I actually got it to go. So after a bit more tweaking, I got it running okay. So I think what I should do with this engine is strip it down, new bearings, and give it a clean, and see if we can get it running nice and sweet. But until I do the next video, thanks for watching, and see you soon.